Hi students, today we discuss about metal carbonides and related compounds. The topic name is metal carbonides and related compounds. Metal carbonides and related compounds. In this, first we discuss about metal carbonides. What is metal carbonides? The definition of metal carbonides. Definition of metal carbonides. So, what is the definition of metal carbonides? First, I write formula of metal carbonides. The metal carbonide general formula capital MX COY. COY. CO means it is the carbon monoxide. Capital M means it is the metal. It is the metal. So the definition of metal carbonide is metal combined with carbon monoxide ligand and form metal carbonyl compounds. So I can write metal combined with carbon monoxide ligand and form metal carbonyl compounds. This is the definition of metal carbonide. Metal combined with carbon monoxide ligand and form metal carbonyl compounds. Metal carbonyl compounds. So this is the definition of metal carbonate. The general formula capital MXCOY. COY. Next, resonance structure. Resonance structure. Resonance structure. So the resonance structure is capital M bond with carbon, carbon having positive charge, the carbon bond, triple bond with oxygen. Equilibrium, capital M, double bond with C, double bond with carbon, double bond with O. This is the resonance structure of metal carbonides. Next, the very important rule, that is the EAN rule. EAN rule. This is the very important in exam. What is the EAN rule? The definition of EAN rule, it is the total number of electrons around the central metal ion present in a complex and calculate as the sum of the electrons on the metal ion and the number of the electrons donated by the carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide nothing but it is a ligand. So it can be calculating using the formula. The formula is EAN is equal to Z plus 2 into carbon monoxide group number. So this is the principle. This is the principle. So simply, so what is the EAN rule? In this, Z means metal atomic number. Metal atomic number. So 2 into carbon monoxide groups number, CO. So generally we take an example. So nickel tetra carbon monoxide. Nickel tetracarbon monoxide. So in this nickel, so nickel atomic number 28. So carbon monoxide groups 4. So Z means metal atomic number 2 into carbon monoxides. How many carbon monoxides are there? 4. So we implement. First we have to write EAN principle. Z plus 2 into carbon monoxide groups number. So in this Z atomic number 28 plus 2 into how many carbon monoxide groups are there? 4. So next 28 plus 4 into 2, 8. So addition 28 plus 8. The final result is 36. So that 36 means generally in inert elements atomic numbers, first we have to write elements name. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10, argon atomic number 18, krypton atomic number 36, xenon atomic number 54, radon atomic number 86. So this all are inert group elements and these all are their atomic numbers. So the nickel tetracarbon monoxide or nickel tetracarbonyl. The name is nickel tetracarbonyl. So the EAN number, nickel EAN number is 36. The 36 related to krypton atomic number. So we have to write a related krypton atomic number. So this is the EAN rule and EAN principle. So example, nickel tetracarbonyl. So we have to take another example. Second example, Cr, chromium, CO6. So chromium, hexacarbonyl. So in this the principle is same, Z plus 2 into CO. So chromium atomic number 24 plus 2 into 6. So in this 6 into 2, 12, 24, sum of 24 plus 12 is equal to 36. So in this chromium hexacarbonyl EAN number 36, the 36 completely related to krypton atomic number. So this is the overall EAN definition, principle and examples. So in this we have to learn polynuclear carbonyls and classification of metal carbonyls and even and odd central metal atoms. So those all are there. So next topic. Now we discuss about EAN rule applications. EAN rule applications. abbreviations. So EAN abbreviation, effective atomic number. Effective atomic number. So in this EAN rule, applications are 3. So first one, even number, mononuclear carbonyls, even number, mononuclear carbonyls. You know nothing but number. Even number mononuclear carbonyls. So in this, the central atom having the number, the atomic number is even. Example, first example, WCO6. So in this, W means tungsten. So EAN. The principle of EAN, Z plus 2 plus CO. So tungsten W, atomic number 74 plus 2 plus carbon monoxide groups number 6. So 74 plus, sorry, this is into. So 6 into 2, 12. So overall final result 86. So this is related to radon atomic number. So easy. Even number mononuclear carbonyls. The metal is having atomic number is even. So W atomic number 74. The 74 is even number. So we take a tungsten hexacarbonyl. So second one, odd number mononuclear carbonyls. So in this we take an example. One, vanadium hexacarbonyl. So EAN principle, Z plus 2 into CO. Groups number. So in this vanadium atomic number 23. So this is the odd number. 2 into carbon monoxide, carbonyl number 6. So 23 plus 6 into 2, 12. So the answer is 35. So near to krypton. So near to krypton number. 36. Krypton atomic number 36. But in this 35. So the EAN number 35. So near to krypton. So this is the odd number mononuclear carbonyls. So last one, polynuclear carbonyls. Third one, polynuclear carbonyls. Poly means many. So in this, more than one. So we take an example, Fe2CO9. So this name is iron eva carbonate. Iron ina carbonates. Iron ina carbonates. In this irons 2. So from 2 Fe atoms. So is equal to 2 into iron atomic number 26. So 2 into 26, 52. Next one from 9 carbon monoxide groups. So in this 2 into 9 is equal to 18, and from Fe bond, Fe bond 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So overall 72. So we know about 1 Fe EAN number. So that's why 72 by 2. 72 by 2. So final result 36. So the 36 related to krypton atomic number. Krypton atomic number. So this is the polynuclear carbonyls. Next we discuss about classification of metal carbonyls. Third one and last one, classification of metal carbonyls. Classification of metal carbonyls. Classification of metal carbonyls. So the metal carbonyls, we know the definition of metal carbonyl is metal combined with carbon monoxide ligand and form metal carbonyl compounds. But in this classification of metal carbonyls, these are 3 types. One is the metal carbonyl compounds having 3 types. So one is the monometal carbonyl compound, second one is the bridged metal carbonyl compound, and last one polynuclear carbonyl compound. First one, mono metal carbonyl compounds. Mono metal carbonyl compounds. Mono means 1. The metal number only 1 means, we take an example, nickel tetracarbonate. In this metal only nickel, that is the 1. For example, we take another example, iron pentacarbonate. So in this Fe number 1. So metal number only 1. So that kind of metal carbonyl is nothing but we called as a monometal carbonyl compounds. Next second one. Bridged metal carbonyl compounds. Bridged metal carbonyl compounds. So bridged. So in this, first we take a example. After we discuss about that. Fe2CO4. So in this, the metals are 2. And we take another example, cobalt 2CO6. In this, cobalt metal numbers 2. So these kind of metal carbonyls nothing but we called as bridged metal carbonyl compounds. Last one, polynuclear carbonyl compounds. Poly means many. Polynuclear carbonyl compounds. carbonate compounds. In this many more than 2. We take an example. Fe3CO12. So in this metal number 3, more than 2. So we take another example, cobalt 4, carbon monoxide 12. So cobalt metal numbers 4. Ruthenium. Ru3CO12. So Ru metals number 3. So this is the polynuclear carbonate compounds. This is overall classification of metal carbonides. Thank you.